Hey everybody, it's Mary. Welcome back to the kitchen. Do you need something fast and easy that's going to come together in about 30 minutes or less? I need that all the time. We are going to make a potato soup today. Okay, I'm not doing the traditional peel the potatoes and everything. I'm using frozen hash browns. Okay, I'm starting out with water. You can either use water and chicken bouillon, or better than bouillon, or you can actually use cans of chicken stock, chicken broth. This is what I have on hand, fast and easy. Put in there. Okay. Put a can of cream of chicken soup. I'm going to put a tablespoon of minced onion. You could use a fresh onion, folks, but fast and easy, we're just throwing it in here. Okay. You use salt and pepper this to taste. I'm just going to stir this up. Everything will blend better once we get the potatoes in here. Okay. You could use the potato cubes, guys, but I happen to have the shredded potatoes, and in all honesty, they'll cook up just a little bit faster. Okay. I'm going to put those in here. I'm going to put this on a medium-low heat and let it cook for about 20 minutes, stir it, and then we're going to add one more surprise ingredient to make it nice and creamy. Alright, this has been simmering for probably about 20 minutes or so. I've stirred it a couple of times to make sure it doesn't stick. I did add just a little bit more water in there, guys, because I wanted it to be just a little bit thinner than what it was. Okay, salt and pepper to taste. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. We don't use much salt, so I barely put some in there. The chicken bouillon has a lot of salt in there. So if you like a lot of salt, then by all means add more salt. I'm using pepper. We like a lot of pepper. You can always add more in your bowl, but that was probably about a half to a 3/4 teaspoon of pepper. Folks, and I'm adding cream cheese to make it nice and creamy. I did go ahead and cut this up into smaller pieces. That way it would melt a little easier rather than one big clump. So, folks, this is real life. I do not have a nice, neat, well organized and orderly way to take this off the paper. If you can take it off the paper that way, then you're better than I am. So, this up. Alright, folks, I'm just going to stir this up and let it simmer for about another 10 minutes or so. And we have got a super fast potato soup. I mean, who doesn't like potato soup? So, I'll show what it looks like whenever I dish it up. Folks, this cream cheese has melted and is evenly distributed through here. So we are ready to dish up a bowl of this super fast, super easy potato soup. What do you like with your potato soup? Do you like it just plain? Well, I like to add a little bit of cheese. I've got a Fiesta blend. Put that on there. It's also good with bacon bits. You can add a little bit of green onion. But folks, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this super fast recipe. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you guys on that next video.